Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you all my deep cleaning routine of refrigerator. Let's get into the process. Here I have 253 liters of Samsung fridge, good for family of 3 to 5 members. It is having digital inverter compressor, consumes lower electricity in comparison to a normal compressor. It is having 3-star for energy saving up to 35%. It is also having a frost free features and as well as built-in stabilizer. Step 1 is to switch off and unplug the refrigerator. Now it's very important to empty the refrigerator before you do deep cleaning. Here you can see I have removed everything out of the refrigerator, including the shelves, drawers, ice trays and crisper box. And I have been cleaned up everything, each and every corner and surface using the cleaner solution. Coming to a fridge cleaner, you can use water plus vinegar solution or a baking soda plus water solution, or even a hot water plus lemon juice solution will work wonder for your refrigerator. Before placing the shelves, drawers and a crisper box, make sure you clean it with mild dishwash liquid or soap. Rinse it with water and make it completely dry using a neat cloth. Clean all the corners, rubbers which is attached near the door frame, and it is also equally important to clean outside the refrigerator as well. Once I finish my cleaning process, step 2 is to place fridge liners or anti-slip sheets. So using the anti-slip sheets or a fridge liner is a great way to protect the actual surface from the mess, spill or any kind of dirt. In case you don't have fridge liner, alternatively you can use dining table plastic mats also. Step 3 is to organizing. To cut it short, I did my organizing part. Let's have a look. Coming to a freezer part, here I have placed ice cream box and some frozen peas. And it's a milk top or malai to prepare ghee at home. It's a dosa batter, idli batter. And here I would like to place butter, cheese, milk, paneer, etc. Coming to a down part, as this is just below the freezer, this is the coldest shelf here. It's more suitable for dairy products. Here I have milk, curd, some leftover food, chutney and pickle. Coming to next section, here I have leftover grapes, and in that yellow box I usually keep my frequent using items like coriander, pudina, green leaves, chili, etc. And at the back side I have placed cauliflower. Coming to next section, here I have ginger garlic paste. It's a homemade ginger garlic paste, some sweets, pomegranates and lemons. In the next section I have placed some dry fruits and the things which I have not regularly used. Now in the crisper box I like to keep all the vegetable in a separate cover I usually keep my vegetable supply for 1 week. Coming to the fridge door, here I have some cool drinks and homemade dry fruits powder, some leftover bread, mayonnaise, and a multi-storage basket, and flask for puja. Here I have some vinegar, chili sauce, soya sauce, tomato ketchup, and mayonnaise. Fridge door is the best place to organize your beverages and condiments. So this is how I clean my refrigerator. If you like the video and if you feel it's helpful, give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you in the next video.